Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so today we are live, and today we are covering Python day 7 classes and objects. This is object oriented programming, and this should actually interest you because today we are going to implement something that is practical. So, what do we have? We have a bank account, okay, that will be made as a class, and then we'll define initialization, then classes deposit and withdrawals. Of course, that is something classic example for banking transactions. And let's start. So what do we have here? That we define initialized, that is three objects: self, owner, and balance. The balance is by default 0. Self dot owner will be the owner. Self dot balance will show the balance. Then we have another class with objects: self and amount. Self dot balance, which is again extracted from here, and that will be amount, positive amount, and it will return deposited and amount. This is basically the object from the class deposit. A new balance will be self dot balance, which is this, okay, and this of course, and it will add the amount to that. And then we have another class with objects self and amount, again with the self and amount. So if we see that self and amount for withdraw will be different. So if amount is less than self dot balance, then self dot balance will deduct that amount, return withdrew this amount, new balance is this, else return insufficient funds. So let's go to Visual Studio, copy, and over here we'll generate the code. Will not generate the code, we'll write it. Okay, insufficient funds. Okay, next part is creating the objects. Account 1 is bank account Ali 1000. Print account 1 dot deposit, account 1 dot withdraw, account 1 dot withdraw 2000. Now in it, this is initialization or initiator, which is it's the constructor that runs when an object it's created. So we have been creating objects over here. Okay, these are the objects, and self refers to the object itself. Okay, so in a class we have objects. So I'll copy this. Okay, then we have methods, more functionality. Okay, more functionality is class bank account. This is the class. Define initiator or initialization. Self owner balance. Self dot owner is balance. Check balance for self. Okay, in that class we have objects, and it will check the balance. Okay, return self dot owner's balance, which is self dot owner, this one, balance, and self balance. Okay, copy this. Hands on challenge bank account simulator, create bank.py. So what we'll do is we'll copy this. Fast bank account. Okay. Okay. I mean, I'm also new, so yeah. And of course, rename it. Rename. Where's the rename? Okay, I'm also new, so I don't have the embarrassment that I'm actually also learning this. Yeah. Okay, GitHub. We actually have had we've actually have had previous programs, but I don't know where that is right now. But anyways, we'll create our own projects again. We've already done that. We've already seen it. Bank account. Okay. And okay, outline, timeline. Okay, we don't need this. We'll create another one. Okay. Click to restart. No, I'm not updating it yet. New window. Okay. New file. That will be bank.py. Yeah, bank.py. Bank.py. Okay. New text file. Okay. And this will be okay. We've done this. We'll save it. Let's not save it right now. Okay. No such file or directory. Okay, let's try to save this. Run Python file. And okay. Okay, we already have this. Can I? Yeah. New balance 600, new balance 600, withdrew 100, new balance 600, Sarah's balance. Okay. 600. Okay. So if you try to understand this, deposit, withdraw, and check balance could expand into multi-user banking system, fintech app, teaching tool for finance, transaction history, and add interest, save account. Okay, we'll do that for later, but right now what we'll try to do is deposit, withdraw, check balance. Okay, give me codes for add to this bank.py program we just shared. Oh, so I'll just, what I'll do is I'll give me code for deposit, code for transaction history list for deposit, withdrawals for the code we just shared. So we deposit is recorded. This makes it feel more like a real world fintech prototype. Yeah. And bank account, and let's study this. Bank.py, this one. Okay. Okay. And bank.py. Okay, and this is basically how it's running. Self owner, self balance is balance. Transactions, it stores history as an array. Deposit self amount if amount more than 0 self balance. Positive amount. Self transaction dot append deposited amount. Print deposited amount, new balance, self balance, else print deposit must be positive. Withdraw is self amount. Okay. Amount less than print withdrawal amount must be positive. Amount self should be more than self balance. Else self balance is amount minus amount. Append with due amount new balance. Check balance self owner's balance. Show transactions, print transaction history for self owner. Okay. If not self transaction, no transaction yet. Else for IT in enumerate. Self transactions start one, print F I and T. Okay. So let's run this. Okay, I hope you're getting the understanding. Account 1 is not defined. Oh, account 1 is not defined. Not defined. Okay, account 1 was here somewhere. Sarah. This was Sarah. Demo. Now let's run this. Twenty. So we'll just take this demo account. So, okay, that's good. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That was it. And demo usage. This is how it will show actually. Okay, so that is it. And add a method. Save account data. Demo usage. And ask it how it will save to built-in JSON. Here's the upgraded code. Okay. Import JSON and demo usage. Yeah. So new text file and demo usage. Deposit. Okay, this is demo. Account.save to JSON, your account data after you submit program, your account one account temp. New account go from JSON check balance show transactions. Okay. Bank 3 JSON.py. Now I don't know what a CLI is, but let's see what it says. Single load, single switch accounts. This is like a real banking app. Okay. Here's the upgraded code. Copy from here and create another file. choice 1, invalid choice, create, um, David, initial balance 20,000, okay, no, let's run it again, create, David, 20,000, withdraw, 22,000, insufficient funds, enter choice, history, balance is 20,000. Okay, so how is this running? Let me just give you how this is running. Cell phone up, self balance, bank account create balance, deposit, append deposited amount, okay, amount is coming from here, deposited amount self dot balance, self dot balance is coming from, so in this class of course these objects can actually intercommunicate. That's what we understood. Define amount 0, fund self balance amount, append the G amount. Okay, check balance, check for balance and balance, show transaction, enumerate is again define to method, return owner self owner, okay, static method, okay, account manager, load account, okay, and save account, switch account, create account, system, bank system, choice, lower, no account selected, okay, let's do that again, deposit 200, withdraw 2000, history, okay, so that's how it's creating. Good, goodbye. Okay, choice, save, choice, history, choice, balance, imbalance, system, or current account, system, or current account, check balance, show transaction, save account. It's not just it's not difficult to actually get the hang of it. You just get the hang of it simply. So that was it for today. Yeah, let's get back to day 8. We're just cramming in so that we get an understanding. It's not that we can memorize every part of the code. We just have to understand the logic, how it's flowing, right? So we are learning with AI. AI is teaching us. So that's one good way of learning it. Until next time, have a great day.